Welcome, Julie. My dear elder sister, welcome.
I'm sorry that I only have very little time. I miss you all. I'm glad that you all are here. Um, you know that our CEO, Mr. Ash Mofara, is working relentlessly and the back team for us. The only thing that he wants us to do is to be you, be the best version of you. That means be patient, be kind to each other. Okay. So you are united family, humanity family here. It's because you are thinking for humanity. You are here, and everything that Mr. Ash Mufara and the team and everyone is doing is to unite humanity. And the best thing that we can do is be kind and be grateful to each other. We are here together and we both have a common goal of making our life better and the humanity's life better. And so I appreciate you all being here with us together, but I also wanted to have a request. And I hope that my friend here, come out here, and everyone here will be able to translate this because this is very important. We go through our life and our life have difficulties time. And then we go through the time where we get very angry at somebody. We blame somebody because our life is terrible. However, that moment of anger, that moment of frustration can destroy your life if you make a bad decision. A bad decision means making a bad comment, negative comment, yell at somebody on social media, or make a bad comment about Mr. Mufareh and about the company. Therefore, if you are here for humanity, please be kind to each other and allow Mr. Mufareh and the team to do what they are best at. And we are going to do this together. We are going to arrive to the safe and a beautiful destiny that is laying out for us. Friends, when we are in Onpassive, we know that it's all done for us. But it doesn't mean that when you lock in, you have money right away. It's wrong. It's not that. It means all done for you mean we love it, we share it, we buy the product, and we share it to other people. And then money will come. We share that values to people. Therefore, be prepared for it, friends, because when Mr. Mufareh giving us the updates, and sometimes the updates is just, think of it as this. The update is encouraging, is to let all of us know that Mr. Mufareh and the team still there with us. And so every time the update comes and it comes that you don't really care for, but think about it. They are letting us know that they are behind the scenes still working very hard for us. Therefore, we should be grateful. We should be grateful every time when we see the updates. Okay, so without any more speaking, I do hope that you enjoy your evening. And please, if we are here for United Humanity Family, we're here together. So continue to be kind with each other, stay close, and stay in touch. Mr. Mofara and the team is working very, very hard for us. And he does that because he loves us. Okay? Thank you
Okay,
so much,
thank you.
Kamal.
Hey, Julie sister. Good morning. How
Good
are you?
morning.
I think
I'm
so. You
well.
are well, and you are always fresh, well-minded because you are honorable founder of Onpassive. That's why you are always feeling too good, and we are always follow you. You know, Bangladeshi people always follow you because
Thank
you are
you.
true leader of Onpassive and always active founder of Onpassive. So we
Yes.
know very well right now what is the condition of on passive, and our lovely CEO, our lovely friend Mr. Ashmufar always update with us. And of course, this is the fantastic system and fantastic way. I know very well on passive is 100% IT company, and of course, fabulous company, no doubt. Sister, you just tell me something. Yesterday, golden month, October. October is past already. So right now in November. So we're the update. We're just waiting for our main focusable product. So actually, it's possible to 2 weeks. We have got our total product system or twinning. You just say something, sister.
We are not going to speculate, right? Because we are not behind the scene and working on the product. Therefore, my suggestion, yes, it is November, but according to what Mr. Mufareh said, new things are coming. That we're getting update every day. We got to take one step at a time, okay? One step has to work first, and then the
Mhm.
next step, and then the next step. Therefore, we should not speculate, and nobody has the answer except Mr. Ashmufarah. And when Mr. Ashmufarah is ready to give us the update, he will post it in the back office for us. So my suggestion is, without speculating and wishing and saying something, the best is to stay in close. Okay? Stay close. Stay
Yeah,
close, and everybody who follow me on Facebook, every time there is an update coming, I will always post on my Facebook for everybody. And then I also have a group called Julie and Friends on WhatsApp. If anything like that, everybody wants to be there. No comment, no admin. Anytime when there's new update, I will post it there as well. So we should stay close. We can't speculate that, okay? So
yeah.
we won't know whenever it's ready. Mr. Mufareh will put it there for us. So no worry.
Yeah, everything is knows our lovely show, Mr. Ashmufare. We know very well. But our next phase, what kind of next phase, and how I mean next phase, we are got a total full version of product, our withdraw, our commission, and it's and everything. You just tell me something. It's possible to our next phase.
We don't know, my friend. Nobody knows. No Marty doesn't know. Chris doesn't know. Nobody knows. Okay, only Mr. Akbar. And when he
Yes.
knows, when he will put it out there for us. So even if you ask me many times, I will still don't know. Nobody knows. Okay?
Nobody knows.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
No,
sister.
nobody know. And if anybody say they know, they're lying to you. Everybody is doing good. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Please take care. Always take care and safe drive. Okay, stay safe and safe
Thank
drive.
you. Thank you so much. Have a good night, everyone. Please stay safe, okay?
Okay,
Love
Okay,
you
thank
all.
you.
sister.